Ngwatanĩro ya biashara ma Nairobi ni marombete nthuki mbithini o Gen Z kwamba kuba Rais Ruto kanya kubinga mendekithia mao. Ni marutite mukana kiri athukangia maria mankithirwa na mibango ya kwithirwa makibithukira biashara cia antu makimeraga mamenyage emo ni methiritwe makibanga kana ni mebangite ni mashokete maromba Rais Ruto gutiga gucokia antu makurukiri kanju yawe ya minister makiugaga Mount Tamau ni mo tumambeu imbithi ikagia maruru. Boniface Mongera enacio.
Bwana bangu kuja kunyanginya kuyintobiene ntukwerozo tobode idhaburuka reninja ntutoja kobogwata bokona kire mutanganga onerengare ne monki jeni ntomwa ere biashara batone Nairobi bori tiende kibanteto patumurira mwingi ogoro bwantu kwenarwa.
We are putting you on notice. Tomorrow will not be business as usual. And you have seen it, we have done it. Last time we did it, we protected 99%, including the security agents. We did what we could, and we are saying even tomorrow, if you are a goon and paid to come and destroy a property, you will be on our case.
Bono botengani abiashara barita na mbere bakoli andamani nyedro kila bakodro bakiandamani likia oma bae thirikari kanya keno bakodro kiojoleria no twakuthia maandamano kimya.
We are asking them, if they give a demand, give the business people and the government time. If you give one demand, give them about 1 or 2 months. I don't think that is asking too much.
Na kienda kuthiria mbara abiashara bado ya Rais Ruto kirimantu ya mwijira tigire kudhuru ethithia na thingatiri mitaratara na ebere ungurumania araba kwaja na ngerekano baka wakirikanja ma ministeri tigere na atigira kudhuru akireta suringe injero nonto inkurira choketi chichiretete rurero rwingi na maroro.
What is even making these things even worse for now and for tomorrow is to bring back those faces. That is one of the issues, and I believe the president should have, because it must have been just like a holiday weekend to bring them back, because people were expecting new faces. We know we have new faces, and we hope that the next 11 batches will be new faces. We hope Parliament will save the situation. Otherwise, the Parliament, if it does not save the situation, it is not going to change.
Nambere tutarugono te report redre kumira kirwangiro polisi ndo karikana untu kwegoro Rais Ruto na rugitetere kudureta kana odio kodio na andamani.
Hao watoto wetu wanatoka, I have them kwa nyumba, wanatoka hawajai kuniambia wanapoka pesa. Mimi najua wanatoka kwa nyumba wananiambia tumeenda maandamano. Kwa nini? Tunataka hii serikali itoke. Sasa mimi inatoka iende wapi? So sijai kuambiwa na mtoto wangu ati amepewa pesa niende maandamano.
Nke reporter Ntoshoro TV kumaja kingine ngine kineke mushujo Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.